Smelling your dog business in your indoor spaces is very unpleasant, but you can proper train your furry friend with indoor dog litter boxes. These litter boxes can easily transform your puppy into the perfect pet, as they provide a secure place for your dogs to do their business. They significantly reduce the frequency you need to take your dog outside. We have selected and reviewed the best dog litter boxes for indoor. If you like any of them, you can buy through the link in description. Number 1. Smart Indoor Dog Potty by Brilliant Pad. It is the world's first indoor self-cleaning potty pad system that gives you freedom and flexibility with better hygiene for you and your dog. Its pad absorbs liquids and begins to dry out solids, while the system replaces the soiled pad with a fresh clean one. It creates a barrier lining wraps to seals waste and lock away odor. It works very effectively and helps you to keep your home odor-free for a complete week with one roll. It ensures to provide overall comfortable environment for your dog, so that your furry friend use it without any hassle. It is very easy to install, as it comes with all the tools needed for its installation. Number 2. Artificial Grass Pee Pad by Pet Maker. It provides a sanitary place for your pet to relieve themselves without any hassle. It is a reusable pad, which works for all dogs and provides odor-free solution for dog messes. It also helps to avoid messy accidents, while enforcing your pup's training that they should go potty on grass. This 3-layer product features holes in its detachable grid tray, which allows liquid to drain to the bottom base tray, so grass mat is always dry and ready for use. It is very easy and quick to clean, as it is completely washable and ensures long-lasting using experience with its high-quality material. Number 3. Washable Dog Pee Pads by Syncopet. It offers an overall great material of 4 layers, which makes it strong, durable and ensures hassle-free use. It is made with 100% polyester knitting surface, super absorbent high-density middle layer, breathable waterproof PUL inner layer, and anti-slip silica gel bottom, which ensures to provides ultimate comfortable. Its leak-proof and slip-resistant backing helps you to keep your floors dry, as it can hold pet messes more than 20 times. It is very easy to maintain this pad, as it is completely washable that increase its working life and ensures long-lasting using results. Number 4. Raquel Paw Trax Mesh Training Tray. It features a snap-in frame, which holds the doggy pad firmly in place and prevents dogs from chewing the pads. The tray provides superior protection to floor surfaces and ensures that your home will remain free from odor without any hassle. The doggy pad provides great convenience, holds the liquid for longer period of time, and also provides a comfortable environment for your dog. It is made with high-quality plastic, which makes it strong, holds the dog weight, and provide easy maintenance. Its unique design makes it puppy-proof and ensures that your furry friend will not damage it at all. Number 5. Kiehl's Waterproof Reusable Puppy Pads. It is a washable dog pee pad, which is a quick absorbent and keeps the inner surfaces dry without any hassle. It features upgraded non-slip rubber backing, durable fabric designed for your furry friend and soft surface, which keeps your pet comfy all day long. It ensures that your furry friend stays comfortable and mess-free, no matter wherever they go. This reusable dog pee pad is made from high-quality and durable materials, which can stand heavy uses and multiple washes.